Just looking through my window, looking at the rain. It's so nice to see that wet stuff coming down again. It's been a long dry summer that made grass hardly grow and hard to make pin money when there are no yards to mow. For I'm a lawnmower man. That's what I do on the side. I mow 'em and I trim 'em, and I do my work with pride. I don't trim bushes or the hedging, and I don't fertilize, but my mowing and my trimming is pleasing to the eyes. I have bragging rights, you know, and the reason is because all the customers I have say I'm the best there ever was. I mow 'em nice, I mow 'em cheap, my prices are the best. I have no competition where I mow, for they're better than the rest. So, as I sit here by my window, looking at the rain, I thank the Lord for blessing me, for I get to mow and trim again.